In this video I will tell you how to replace the rubber power button on the Garmin Montana 600 series. We will need the button itself, which you can purchase in our online store gFixer.com, as well as a primer, glue, a knife, napkins, cotton swabs, cleaner and a plastic tool. Let's cut the old button along the contour. The contour can be seen on the body. The base of the case is plastic and covered with a rubber layer. We only need to cut through the rubber layer only. Remove the old rubber layer with a damaged button by the plastic spatula. For the final cleaning of the rubber layer, use alcohol cleaner. Remove the remaining rubber with a cotton swab. Before gluing, try on the button. The button should be installed without effort and at the same time the gaps should be minimal. Check the pressing. The button should be pressed clearly. Let's primer the plastic base. The primer significantly improves adhesion, or in simple words, the quality and strength of bonding. We recommend using Loctite SF770. Let's also process the surface of the button itself. For gluing, we use thick cyanoacrylate adhesive Loctite 454. Apply glue to the plastic base and evenly distribute it. It is important to apply enough glue but not too much, so that the glue does not flow inside and does not glue the electric button. Take the button and carefully install and press for 2 to 3 minutes. It takes 24 hours for the final bonding. If the glue is applied evenly and all conditions are met, then your GPS receiver will be waterproof again. Thanks for watching.